The Testo 174T and Testo 174H mini data loggers are characterized by their compact design and precise measurement of temperature and humidity. In the ComSoft software, you can easily configure all important settings such as limit values, storage cycle, and start and stop criteria. After configuration, the data logger can be brought to the measuring location. The measurement starts by pressing and holding the Go button, or automatically at a set date and time, or directly after configuration. The Testo 174 series is ideal for indoor data logging from -30 or -20 degrees to +70 degrees Celsius and offers automatic data backup in the event of a flat battery or battery change. To read out the measurement data, remove the data logger from the wall bracket and connect it to a computer with the USB-C cable. Testo 174T and H, intuitive configuration and analysis of measurement data via the Testo ComSoft software.